If you've been scrolling through TikTok lately, you've probably noticed all those products popping up in videos, sometimes with a little Shop Now button. That's TikTok Shop in action, and what makes it even more exciting is the affiliate marketing opportunity it brings. Basically, TikTok allows creators to earn commissions by promoting products from the TikTok Shop directly in their content. And yes, you don't even need to own the product yourself. Just share it and get paid when someone buys through your link. Here's how it works. First, you need to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Once approved, you'll have access to thousands of products you can promote. You choose items that fit your niche, whether it's beauty, gadgets, fashion, or home essentials. TikTok gives you a special affiliate link for each product, which you can include in your videos or live streams. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, TikTok automatically tracks it and pays you a commission. One of the biggest advantages of TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is the built-in audience and algorithm support. TikTok's algorithm favors content that engages viewers, so if your videos are creative, entertaining, or informative, they have the potential to go viral. That means your affiliate products can reach thousands or even millions of viewers without you spending on ads. Even small creators can earn decent commissions if they consistently post content that resonates with their audience. Now let's talk about strategy. Choose products wisely. Promote items you genuinely like or that align with your content because authenticity matters. People are quick to spot forced promotions, and that can hurt your credibility. Create engaging content that naturally showcases the product. Tutorials, reviews, or even creative skits work really well. And don't forget to use clear call to actions. Tell viewers to click the link in your video description or the shop button to make a purchase. Finally, track your performance. TikTok provides analytics for affiliate links so you can see which products are selling, which videos are converting, and what type of content works best. This is crucial because it lets you focus on promoting the products that actually generate income, rather than wasting time on items that don't sell. In short, TikTok Shop affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing ways to earn money online, especially if you're already creating content or planning to start. With the right approach, choosing products wisely, creating engaging videos, and analyzing results, you can turn your TikTok account into a revenue stream without ever handling inventory yourself. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which type of TikTok affiliate product you'd want to promote first.